Hello there everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can download Photoshop for free, and it's a very stable version I have here. So all you have to do is click the link down in the description. I mean, you can't click it actually, you have to copy it, and after you've got that copied, you have to have a program installed on your PC called Qubit Torrent or any other torrent software, and you have to paste the link here and press enter, and it's gonna open up your torrent downloader. So it's very typical. The torrent downloader is gonna appear and it's gonna retrieve metadata, and then you have to download it. So I won't download this. After you've got that downloaded, it's gonna look something like this. Well, now you can follow this readme instructions if you want, and you have these screenshots as well. So what you have to do here is, according to your bit version of Windows, select the program accordingly and open it up, and you'll have setup here. You just run the setup file. Once it's done, you have to copy this DLL, and you'll have this directory here. What you have to do here is copy this and paste it here and press enter. It's gonna take you to where this file was installed, and you have to replace the DLL here and just paste it here, and it's gonna ask if you want to replace or delete it. You just press replace, and once that's done, what you have to do here is search Firewall here. Okay, open this up and it should launch up this thing. Okay, after this is launched up, click here advanced settings, and it'll launch up this thing. Now you have to go here inbound rule, okay, and click new rule. Here select program, press next, and remember that directory we have saved. Paste it here, press browse, and it's gonna open up this. Now you select Photoshop here, press open, press next, and just click block the connection and press next. And when does this rule apply, select all of them and press next, and keep this Photoshop block, something like that. You can keep and just press finished and it'll work. I already have this done, so I won't be doing it again. So that'll do for your Photoshop, and you can edit photos really nicely now. Anyways, thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe. Bye bye.